So it's Father's Day, and I'm probably going to surprise him right now. And hey, Sab.
Good morning.
Morning. Is it Father's Day?
Are you asking me a question or you are?
I'm asking you that only. What did you say? You said question. You know the cutest smile you have, huh? When I
Because it's every day is Father's Day, so it's a Father's Day officially.
did you just say every day is Father's Day?
Yeah.
Why are you behaving like a mother?
No, every day is a Mother's Day also. This is all rubbish marketing tools of this thing.
Of Hallmark.
But you can wish me since
Happy
you have got
Father's
the
Day,
camera from
Dad.
outside.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. God bless you. May God give you long life, happy life, successful life.
And for you, even more.
What is this nonsense you started this coming into my private space?
This
with
is
the camera?
this is the living room of our house.
Yeah, but
But it's so nice to know that I have just my room to live in, and everything else is your private place.
Since you live 99.9% in your room and you have come out, tell me honestly, have you come out because they are changing your bed sheet right now?
No.
1 second.
One second, but they're not changing my bed sheet. I don't lie.
So why did you come out?
I
To
came
wish
to
me.
see you.
And then you're saying, is it Father's Day?
No, you
today?
said wish me, so I said happy birthday.
What?
That's what
No,
I said,
birthday.
right? No, it's not your birthday.
No.
It's Father's Day.
Yeah. Is the light okay from behind or is it my
No,
face?
you're actually looking.
Since you're doing it, why didn't you
You're
do
looking.
it?
No, but one second. Calm down. Turn around. That. Calm. Why are you
I'm
behaving
calm,
like?
I'm
You
the-
just turn around. That was much better. Yeah. So.
Oh, congratulations. You're getting great response for your series, Arya, huh?
Yeah, that's very good.
Don't smile sheepishly. Accept it. When
No,
people
that's
praise
it's
you,
yeah.
when people praise you, you must learn to be thankful to God. And
No,
say, wow.
you think I would not be thankful to God?
But you get
It's
embarrassed.
the first thing in my life that has ever done well.
No, अच्छी बात नहीं है. पहले भी तारीफ होती थी. 1
नहीं,
second.
नहीं.
Yeah. What do you want to do now?
You know, I'm so happy you got a mic and a helicopter vent. It's like, let's not speak.
Hello, hello, ladies of the gentlemen.
I could have to understood a few homogeneous words in the kind condolence of Princess Durgavati of Lakhanpur.
The infection of the great constipation in the large intestine of mankind, which is being spread in pregnancy by her flirting excellency. That's why I'm shivering in high frequency. Next line.
Isn't that the end?
Our divine grace is a mental case.
Then?
So I will pay my last homage to Her Highness with great amount of shyness that you came into our school. That is God's nature.
Sometimes I look at you, sometimes I look at my furniture.
Wow.
What do I look at sometimes?
Furniture.
For furniture.
Furniture nahi hai. It's
You used to say furniture only, now don't pretend like you don't say furniture. What is all this? So these things and all? Is that furniture?
It's furniture.
It's furniture.
For teacher होता है ना, for teacher.
Dad, it's a
Like
very
you're
bad
looking
joke.
like-
Stop your bad
you're-
joke right now. Dad, come on, you are a comedian
You are
king.
looking like a for teacher right now. And yes, this is furniture in our house. Can you just turn the camera towards yourself?
No, I
So
can't.
that people actually know that you are looking like
Dad,
a
one
teacher.
second. You never want. I love the fact that you have actually offered somebody else to turn the camera towards themselves while it's on you.
Because the for teacher has to
No,
be shown
because
to the world.
you're amazing. Now you have two accounts, mine and yours, which just shows you. How does that feel?
It's a great feeling with your 100,000 followers and my 3.5 million followers. It's a great feeling.
Have you just taken my case
Yeah, exactly.
compared to you?
Yeah, Herman, Mr. Sikandar is making a video on my
Mr.
Father's Day.
Mr. Sikandar.
So, hello?
By the way, Herman is the.
Oh, I did not take his call and I
You've
started
not answered a
talking.
call and spoken to nothing.
Morning, Herman, my dear. How are you?
You didn't answer the phone. Ladies of the gentlemen, I would like to should put it.
Sikandar is making my video, so I'll talk to you back.
That it's a video.
Okay.
Video. Huh?
I-
It's not
I started talking
VEE.
to him.
It's not. You
I
got.
started talking to him without taking the call. And you got your moment.
We got the moment, and you said it 3 times now. But all
Is
I'm
it
talking
time
about.
to do... No?
No. It's Happy Father's Day, Dad. You're such a wonderful father, gentle as you may be, but you're lovely, yeah. Especially in the sunlight because it bounces off your fairness.
You praising
Like
me
I
or
no,
you,
I want to work with you just so I can get more light.
or you're making fun of my baldness or you're making fun
No,
of the
just
light,
your
my
complexion,
skin texture,
complexion.
complexion.
Your skin what?
My skin texture.
That's not got nothing to do with the texture. How much? Just complexion. Guys, don't mind it. He's actually a very lovely person. Even though language
You know,
is
there
not
are
his
so many
forte.
explicit expressions come in my mind, but
What
because
like
of-
what? Like what? Like what?
No, I can't say
You
that.
can't say why people will judge you.
People will no, not judge me. People, it's not nice thing.
Don't
to
get serious.
social
1 second.
media.
We're having fun. Don't get
Keep
serious.
quiet.
Keep what?
Quiet. I had a dialogue to say in this New Amsterdam. The maximum takes that I have done in New Amsterdam in my series was that I was supposed to say not quite right.
You. I can imagine. So what do you do? What do you do?
11 retakes.
What were you saying?
I was saying not quite right, not quite. No. So I told my director, lady director Daniel, I said, can I just say not right? She said, not quite right. So
you were stuck.
I was stuck, but then I tell my American actors to say from Kim Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam.
Yeah, but that's not what they asked you to say, right? So I don't know why you're going on with like these bhajans and
What
like.
do you mean these bhajans?
I don't know why you're going crazy on this stuff, man.
Because it's important to tell people and put them in their place.
Why are you telling American people this? They're not going in any place.
Because they're trying to sort of, no, they're very wonderful. They love me very much.
A lot of people
So we
love
were
you
coming
here.
back to the 1 million follower, no sorry, 3.5 million followers.
Which you've
So,
compared to me.
where you said that you are taking over my account also.
That why I'm gaining followers because of you.
Okay, now can you just...
Yeah.
today's-
Okay. What?
today's
Okay. How do you
follower
finish it?
is-
Wish everybody's father. Wish everybody
Hi
Father's Day.
everybody, wishing you a very, very, very beautiful Father's Day. Everybody's father is great. I read a very beautiful line कि पिता की जेब खाली हो लेकिन फिर भी वो बेटे को या बेटी को कभी किसी चीज के लिए मना नहीं करता, इसलिए पिता से ज्यादा अमीर कोई इंसान नहीं होता। हा देखा? What are you making?
I'm just trying to say that it could have been a lot. I don't know.
Yeah,
this was very. Like you come up with so many better things. This was very average.
No, let me
No,
just,
I'll tell you
let
what.
me
sorry.
read it properly.
No, let's not because it's already 7 minutes long. Just tell them what is the out. How do we go out and wishing everybody what to say?
Wishing everybody a happy Father's Day and hang loose.
Yeah.
Hang loose and great day. Be safe and I love you all. And thank you Sikandar for wishing me on Father's Day. You actually came out and forgot, and I had to ask you that please wish me. You said, is it your birthday? You actually asked me, is it your birthday?
No, I knew it's not your
The
birthday.
whole world knows when is my birthday. When is my birthday?
That your birthday is not Pratiksha, okay? Which is Bachchan's house. Your birthday is
Hello,
7th March.
Doesn't matter. I'm
You know,
in Guru
you're
Ashram.
Piscean.
What is my birthday?
7th March. Should I say it again?
Exactly. I remember yours.
I've said it twice. Now it might be 14th
Okay,
March.
hang loose. A happy day to all of you. Be inside. Solar eclipse is there right now. And Father's Day is today. International Yoga Day is today. Wow. Chill. All of you.
This was really cool. Happy Father's
Why are you
Day.
laughing?
I'm not laughing. I'm just happy Father's Day. man.
You think I pretend to be cool?
No, you become
I
cooler.
am
No,
cool.
you really are. Ferrari, वो जब हम आप लेंगे ना Ferrari, मैं भी आप मत चलाना, मैं चलाऊंगा.
Yeah.
Ferrari.
I don't say Ferrari. Okay.
You said Ferrari,
I
but
said
anyway, it's
Ferrari.
okay.
Okay, time over.
Bye.
Hang loose.
Angles.